Hey guys, good afternoon. Andy here with Expert Renovation. So, out in subdivision land in beautiful Byron, Georgia. This is our 26 square roof, CertainTeed Landmarks in Georgetown gray, roof runner synthetic, shadow ridge, hip and ridge caps, new drip edge, and this is a happy roof from what we started with. Had some issues with some bad roof framing. Hard to get some of these ridge lines exactly right. The trusses are zigzagged, but still a sharp roof. Nothing to complain about here. Guys are finishing getting cleaned up, and it's time for the weekend. So that's how we do it. Professionally installed roof, CertainTeed Shingle Master certified, Georgia State licensed general contractor, and on-site job management with a 10-year labor warranty. Call us if we can help you out, and don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching. 478-501-0102.